Hello guys, welcome to my page. Today let's cut and sew a wrap top that you can style anyhow you want it. I'm making use of Ankara print. I fold my fabric into two. How to get the measurement is to divide your bust measurement by the biggest part of your body, if it's your bust or your tummy, by 4. Then add extra inch to it for your allowance. Then the next thing is to divide your shoulder measurement by 2. I mark it, come down by 1 inch for my shoulder slope. The neck width I'm using is 3 inch. For the back, I'm making use of 2 inch for the neck depth. Just use my curve ruler to connect the 2 points together. The next thing is to get your armhole depth. You divide your bust by 6, add 1.5 inch to it to get your armhole depth. Then connect the 2 points, your shoulder slope point and your armhole point. Connect it together. Just draw a straight line. That will be your chest line. Let me say your bust line. To get my waistline, then here's my waistline. Roll the line. Then the full length of my top. I added 1 inch for my sewing allowance. I have the waist, the hemline, the full length of the blouse. On the chest line, I divide my bust measurements by 4, add sewing allowance to it. I make use of 1.5. The shoulder, on our armhole, I come in by ½ inch. Connect it to the up, then I use my curve ruler to connect it to the chest line. On my length of my blouse, I divide my waist measurements by 4, add sewing allowance, connect it to the chest line. Let's cut the front. The measurement of the front is, you place the back piece on it, add extra 5 inch. I make use of 5 inch for the wrap. You can make use of how it depends on how you want the wrap to be. You can use more than 5 or 3 inch or 4 inch. You can add it to the front. I see I added 5 inch. I added 5 inch to get the front piece. You add 5 inch or less than, even 3 inch, 4 inch, you can add it to the back to get the front. The next thing is to cut the armhole. Same thing with the back. You cut the armhole, the excess there, and the shoulder. To get my front neck depth, I come down from the shoulder by 4 inch. But if you want your own to be more deeper, you can come down more than 6 inch. I come down from the shoulder with 6 inch. Then just connect it from the neck depth you have in the back. You connect it. On the front piece, the down part, I went up by 4 inch to get where I'm going to attach my rope to. Then I just have to connect it straight from the neck down to that 4 inch I mark. Just want to straight the line. Now we are done with our front. It's so easy just for you to just follow the step. I'm cutting through the line. Look at the front now. The front will be slant because it's a wrap top. I'm just cutting out the excess I have on the side and the down too. We are done with our front. On the front piece, the front piece armhole is usually more wider than the back piece. It's usually more deeper. So I just mark out ½ inch and cut it. This is what we have. The facing for the back. Just cut it the normal way you used to cut your facing. Look at what I have now. Now it's for me to start sewing. I use my facing to turn the neck, the back neck. On the front piece, I'm making use of bias. To turn it. You can still use facing. You can cut a piece of fabric and turn it. Look at how it is now after turning. The next thing is to sew the shoulder together, the back and the front shoulder together by ½ inch. Just follow the way I'm doing. Sew the shoulder and the side. I added 1.5 inch for the side allowance. Now this is our sleeve. It's a gather puff sleeve. Just cut a straight piece of fabric. Depends on the length you want the sleeve to be. On the down part, I just fold it by 1 inch for where I'm going to put my elastic. Look at the way it is now. Now it's for me to cut my elastic and pass it through. Like I make use of 8 inch for the elastic. I'm cutting 2 of the elastic. This is my rope. The length of the rope is around 38 and the width of the rope is 3 inch. After sewing, 3 inch. After sewing, I have 2.5. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to attach the rope. Look at our top after joining the shoulder and the side. It's for we to attach our rope to it now. After we have already folded the down part, then we'll attach the rope to it. Just follow the way I'm doing it and sew it by 1/2 inch. You do same thing on the both side. Now is our sleeve. I've already put my elastic. Look at the way it is now. The sleeve is to attach the sleeve to the top. You can use pleating or gathers for it. Thank you for watching. Thank you.